what delights have we got tonight? What's on the menu tonight, Jim?
Tonight, well, we've still got some of the leftover from the pub grub left. So even though that fed 3 of us last night, there's still plenty left there. So we're going to use that again. We're going to fry it up in the Ridge Monkey. We've got some spam that's left over, and we've got some mini
Cornish pasties.
So we're going to warm those through. That should be enough for both of us.
So how are you going to warm those through?
What, the pasties?
Yeah.
I'm going to go in the Ridge Monkey, but what I'm going to do so they don't burn, get a little bit of foil. I'm just going to wrap them in foil. That way they'll heat through nicely. All I'm going to do is one sheet, put them like that.
Don't drop them.
Don't drop them.
There's a waiting mouth.
Dog's nose there. Hopefully.
I hope you got a thermometer to test
yeah, I'm going to probe.
internal temperatures.
Yeah, shut up, I know, I like to probe things, so hopefully that should stop them burning. They'll just be warmed through like that. And then this lot, we're going to chop the spam up. Very good knives these, but very, very sharp.
Horribly sharp.
Horribly sharp. I'll be rough and ready. So we'll mash this up a little bit more. These were the roast potatoes, weren't they?
Yeah, so they
potatoes,
might,
so
won't mash down very well.
no, so just slice them up.
And just fry them off.
It's really only a case of warming this through, isn't it?
Yeah.
A little bit of oil. I'll let that warm up first, and then before we put everything in. Ridge Monkeys are really good. They don't balance very well. And the gas is good, but you have to hold it down for a minute. Just turn it down pretty low and then let the oil warm up. I'm not going to heat the Cornish pasties up just yet. So the oil's warmed up now. Not overheated it, just let it warm. Case of tipping everything in again.
Will it all go in that?
Yeah, I think fine. Go there. Squash it down. There's all sorts in here again, isn't there? There's supping as well, isn't there? Very similar to the last one, last meal, but with some added. And then we'll just layer this on top. And once we flip it over, that'll start to cook and warm through as well.
Well, it acts like a bit like an oven anyway, doesn't it? Once you shut the lid, it heats through.
Yeah, still like the Ridge Monkeys. The only problem with the Ridge Monkeys is there's no seal, is it? So you are using something that's a little bit more liquid.
You've missed some.
I've missed some. They were for later. They do leak if it's a little bit more liquid, don't they? Which is why I like the big one. It's got the seal on it. And then it's just a waiting game. In a few minutes we'll warm the pasties up. that's cooking away nicely. So we'll start warming the pasties through. I do want to be on a low light.
Was that just for Dave Bertolini, a low light? Turn the gas down.
And then it's just a waiting game. It's cooking very nicely. Fired up. It's just fried a little bit. Windy out there. Isn't it better? So we'll serve that in a second. With the pasties, the foil's just there to act as a bit of insulation to stop them burning on the bottom of the ridge monkey. They're nicely warmed now. Don't need to be steaming hot. Warmed through. Excuse fingers. I ain't got anything. That was hot.
So the ridge monkey acts as an oven as well.
Yeah, yeah, basically. Yeah. If you use foil, nothing's going to burn. So they're nice and hot. And this one, you don't need to film while I'm plating it up.
Right.
Because I'm making this.
I'll edit it. In fact, I think I only want 2 pasties.
2 pasties? Well, leave on your plate and then. Smells nice as the stuffing.
We can't go wrong for what we paid. And this Too Good to Go is actually stopping food waste, isn't it? It's
I mean a lot of places, well, basically can't give food
banks,
homeless charities now, can they?
No.
Which is sad, really. Well, there's so many homeless people out there. And
this would have ended up in landfill.
It would.
So
can't even give it away as pig swell anymore, can they?
No.
So, have you got enough? Or?
I've got plenty there.
We've got plenty there, I think. I mean, looking at the other side of things, there are times we've been nearly homeless ourselves, haven't there? So we feel for the people who are in that situation, and it upsets them, the noises.
So much
food is going to waste.
So I mean, that's 2 meals it's done for us.
3 meals last night.
3 meals last night with Pippa.
And there's still, I mean, alright, there's not a lot left, but there's a little bit left there.
Yeah. Enjoy.
It's hot. What about the pasties? Are they warm through okay?
They're fine.
Good. So we'll see an empty plate tonight.
Oh, you will always see an empty plate.
Sorry, boys and girls. Oh, they're too tired anyway after the walk. So another quick, simple meal. It just shows that you don't have to spend a lot. And you can do it on a stovetop. You don't need an oven. What will the next one be?